Great customer service starts with being prepared for every encounter with your customer. Simple things like knowing where they are, knowing what you owe them, and what they owe you. The ability to call or set up a meeting anytime you happen to think about them. Great customer service is about having a window into your warehouse, even if you are 30,000 feet in the air. Great customer service can't afford to risk losing a new customer in the shuffle, or losing sight of which customer relationships mean the most to you. Great customer service means you can take your customer's order wherever you are, whenever they are ready. Great customer service shouldn't have to choose between ERP, CRM, or online portals. Great customer service should be about omni-commerce. Always alert, always prepared, always there for your customer. iSales 100 for iPhone and iPad, exclusively for Sage 100 ERP. Brought to you by XK0.